If you're looking for a way to flavor your food, a different salt, I highly recommend pink Himalaya salt. I was recently sent this huge bag. I mean, look how big this bag is of Himalaya salt from Salts Worldwide. And this salt is really got a nice flavor. Again, it's a authentic pink Himalaya salt. And it says it's harvested from the ancient salt deposits in the Himalaya mountains. Sounds like fancy salt to me. This package is 1 kilogram, 35 grams. And on the back it says the salt has 84 inherent trace elements that occur naturally in pink Himalaya salt. It's great for cooking, curing, and serving. And they also recommend using it for a pink Himalaya bath, put in your bath. So it's really good not only for cooking, for baking, but also to put in your bath. This is 100% certified authentic Himalaya salt. And what I really like about it, now the fine grain, it's got a really nice fine grain to it, but the pink color, I don't know if you can really see the pink color, but this salt is got a really nice pink color to it, and it adds really nice flavor. I use this salt in my cooking all the time. I love using it on my roasted veggies. It adds delicious taste there. So if you're looking for a different kind of salt, or if you're actually looking for a pink Himalaya salt, this is a really good salt. Again, it's from Salts Worldwide, and it's pink Himalaya salt. I'll leave a link so you can get more information.